Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The Art of Home, a Chinoiserie wallpaper motif for timeless French style. Step into a world where the timeless elegance of French country house style meets the enchanting fantasy of chinoiserie. This design concept revolves around an exquisite wallpaper motif, featuring a flowering branch set against a warm cream background. The branches are rendered in a soft taupe gray, providing a subtle structural foundation for the scene. Lush blossoms in delicate blush pink and soft, buttery ochre take center stage, while sage green leaves add a touch of natural freshness. To complete the pastoral narrative, consider adding whimsical accents like a perched songbird or a fluttering butterfly. This palette creates an atmosphere that is both refined and inviting, offering a serene backdrop for every room in your home. The charm of this theme begins before you even step inside, setting the tone for the interior. Paint your home's exterior in a warm cream shade that complements the wallpaper's background, with shutters in a matching taupe gray. In the garden, cultivate a mix of blush pink peonies, ochre-colored roses, and fragrant sage bushes to create a living extension of the wall covering. This harmonious approach blurs the line between the cultivated landscape and the curated interior. Your entryway offers the first glimpse of this elegant narrative, welcoming guests with understated sophistication. A console table in a weathered oak or painted taupe gray provides a perfect perch beneath a gilded mirror. A simple vase holding a single flowering branch with blush pink blooms acts as a three-dimensional preview of the wallpaper's motif. This carefully composed space immediately establishes a feeling of calm, pastoral beauty. In the living room, the Chinoiserie wallpaper becomes a captivating focal point, inviting relaxation and conversation. Anchor the space with a large, comfortable sofa upholstered in a neutral linen or soft sage green velvet. Incorporate tactile textures through a taupe gray wool rug and throw pillows in blush pink and soft ochre silks. For a touch of classic French flair, include a carved wood coffee table and a gracefully aged armoire. Choose curtains in a sheer, creamy fabric to allow light to filter through, enhancing the room's warm glow. Finally, accessorize with porcelain vases and gilded frames that echo the wallpaper's delicate birds and butterflies. Transform your bedroom into a serene retreat where the Chinoiserie motif inspires restful slumber. Use the wallpaper on the wall behind the bed to create a dreamy, romantic headboard effect. Dress the bed in crisp white linens layered with a blush pink duvet cover and sage green knit throws for texture. A taupe gray upholstered bench sits at the foot of the bed, while softly glowing bedside lamps in a brushed brass finish complete the tranquil setting. To personalize the space, add a vintage-inspired vanity table and a plush, neutral-colored rug underfoot. This careful curation of elements ensures the room is both a stylish and soothing sanctuary. The dining room becomes a stage for enchanting gatherings, surrounded by the whimsical garden scene. A solid wood table is surrounded by chairs upholstered in sage green or blush pink fabric. Overhead, a statement chandelier with crystal droplets will cast a warm, inviting light over evening meals. Set the table with ochre-colored charger plates and delicate pink-stemmed glassware to reflect the wallpaper's elegant color story. Introduce this theme into the kitchen through carefully chosen elements for a touch of pastoral charm. Consider open shelving in a taupe gray finish to display creamy pottery and ochre-colored ceramic canisters. A classic subway tile backsplash in a warm cream shade provides a clean backdrop that ties into the wallpaper. Sage green tea towels and a small pot of fresh herbs on the windowsill seamlessly connect the room to the natural motif. Even the bathroom can be elevated into a spa-like oasis with this delicate theme. Use the wallpaper on a single accent wall or in framed panels to avoid moisture concerns. A vanity painted in taupe gray or sage green topped with a cream-colored marble counter, enhances the classic feel. Accessorize with plush towels in blush pink and a woven basket for linens, adding both color and texture.